52. Though Jesus was very clear of why he came here, people that loved him still created an idea of what they wanted Jesus to be, a man who established a physical kingdom on this earth. We laugh at that, but in 2025, we still have churches gathering to worship an idea of Jesus that they've created rather than his truth. So, how do you know if you've been worshiping the real Jesus or if you've been caught up in a Jesus that was marketed to you? Ask yourself this simple question: how many years have you been going to church? 1, 5, 10? For some of you, it's been half of your life. Now ask this: how many things in your life have changed for the better? There should be some correlation, because if you've been consistently attending church with no positive change in your life, that's the definition of insanity. Time is the most important commodity that we have. So don't waste it. Chase change. Chase the truth. Chase the kingdom of God. Thank you, Group 52. God bless you, and have the best week of your life.